From the time you enter Dockside, you are immediately welcomed home. Conveniently located in downtown Charleston between the South Carolina Aquarium, the historic Fort Sumter boat tour site, and Charleston Maritime Center. As you enter this one-bedroom/one-bathroom Dockside condominium, you are greeted by southern panoramic views of Charleston and the Charleston Harbor. Do not miss the spacious layout that this condo has to offer. Foyer, which leads you into the large galley kitchen and formal living and dining. The floor-to-ceiling hurricane sliding glass doors bring the outside in. You also have access to the exterior balcony through the generous bedroom. The Dockside amenities include 24-hour gated security, lobby, a club room, stunning library area, fitness center, gym, heated pool, secure parking, a deepwater boat dock in the Waterfront Walk area. On a clear